Yeah, some people they fear dead bodies or graveyards because they might have seen people, other people say that they have seen some paranormal activity because of the jinn and all. Is a fear of dead bodies or graveyards permissible? Is it shirk or not?
This is not shirk because people don't fear it because of itself. It's something that is psychological. It is something that can even be a natural fear. Not everyone is so acquainted with a dead body that, oh, they would just go and hug a dead person or feel safe to sleep next to a dead person in the room. It is not normal. Not everybody is well equipped or well adjusted to such situations. The shirk would be if you fear that this dead body would come back to life, which is un-Islamic and there's no way of doing this, or that it has the power to hurt you or to benefit you. This is shirk, but nobody has this. This is the normal shirk, the same as you fear a cockroach or a mouse. This is not shirk because it's a natural fear. It's something that some people are built and created with, of fearing of such reptiles or such insects, and Allah knows best.